With the latest version of Windows 11 24H2, Microsoft has really pushed the boundaries of performance. As you can see here, my system that is updated to the latest version, the restart time has been significantly improved. Like it took around 37 seconds, but it used to before on 23H2 take around 1 minute, which is really significantly. Now, all thanks to Microsoft, they are using Rust, which is the kind of performance under the hood to improve the performance. If you would like to explore some of the best cool new features of Windows 11 latest update, stick around to the end of this video. I'm going to show you some of the awesome cool new features. So let's get to it. Now, with the latest version of 24H2 of Windows 11, Microsoft has really improved the restarted access. As you can see here from the Windows latest articles, they have tested it on different machines. The restart time has been 37 times faster with 15% of CPU low usage, which is really significant. Number 2 is checkpoint cumulative updates. Microsoft has really improved the Windows update services as well. You won't be getting here the huge bulk of updates at the same time, but rather all those important features which are really essential for your system. Like as you can see here from the article, Windows Latest has really explained this. While trying to update the system, the updates would be way more smaller and also would be installing really faster. Coming up number 3, we have new context icons. When you right click on any of those files, in the new context menu we have these labels along with the icons, which is kind of a really tiny feature, but Microsoft added that as well into this version. With this version, new archive support has been also added. As you can see here, this is a WinRAR file and this is a WinRAR zip file. If I right click here, and as you can see here, I can compress to 7zip file, a tar file, at a digital option as well added. If I click on that, I have all the control, like I can compress into any archive format. In the latest version, Microsoft Edit has this tiny feature which is to duplicate the tab. If you right click here, it's gonna duplicate it. The other small feature which is Microsoft Edit is that you can now move file within this breadcrumb, which is kind of cool. You don't have to just go back and copy it. You simply paste over here and it's gonna move them. Now, with the scrollable quick setting, which is kind of a great feature added to the Windows 24H2 that allows you to paginate between different settings from the notification panel, which is quite good. But the one downside of this is that you can't remove any of those widgets. The other thing that I have noticed here that this menu of panel is kind of really smooth now, where it used to lag. The other cool feature that I noticed here with the Windows 24H2 is that they have added this Microsoft account badge to the start menu before where you used to access within the setting panel. While the power button is on the right side that allows you to lock, restart and shut down your computer. One of the cool features that I noticed here in 24H2 that they have updated this task manager icon as well. Before where it used to like this, now it is like this. Just kind of look a little slick. One of the features that Microsoft mentioned is that while trying to clean install Windows, they have a new interface which is sort of like inspired from Windows Vista. So yeah, that's it for this video. Now these are some of the features that is kind of way more prominent, but under the hood there is ton of features that Microsoft added. If you would like to explore this in the details, you can click on the link in the description below to the Microsoft official website where they have all the details to it. So that's it for this video as well. If you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I make videos every single week related to technology and design. If you like to support the channel, smash the subscribe button with bell notification. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.